So this video is about the process that I did trying to recover this tree that was not looking that great, and I'm going to show it to you now. Hello, this is my Loropetalum chinensis that I started in February 2024. I feel that this tree is in trouble. There's a lot of leaves falling and drying out, and I don't have a lot of new leaves, so I thought repotting on a slightly bigger pot to see what happens, and I'm going to do it now. So what I'm seeing immediately is that the soil is very compact. It's impressive how fast the roots of this Loropetalum develop. One year it was good enough for the root ball to start going around the pot, and most probably the second reason for the tree not to be looking healthy is that the substrate is completely wet. So I changed my mind. I'm not going to use this pot that I showed. I'm going to get a new one, a pot that is too big for the tree, but I don't want to redo this next year. It's amazing. 1 year. And I bet that in a couple of weeks this tree is going to look completely different, now that the roots will have room enough to develop. Okay, I'm happy. This is good enough. Okay, that's it. Hopefully I will show you this again in a couple of weeks during June, full of new leaves. Just a quick watering. Today is July 19th, and I repotted the tree in May, so 2 months have passed and the tree is looking healthy again. I just reviewed the footage from last May. I don't think that the problem was overwatering. I think that the problem was the size of the pot. The root system was too compact, and this prevented the roots to get some oxygen. And I'm very happy that I repotted it. It looks a completely different tree with a lot of new growth, with healthy leaves. It still has some of the old leaves here that I had in May. During May it was almost only this. All the darker like red wine color leaves is new growth, and I'm going to just prune a little bit, do some wiring, trying to keep the shape of the tree. Maybe bring this branch here a little down. When I'm wiring, I think that I said this before, but when I'm wiring, I try to, the length of the wire, I try to do like 150% of the length of the branches that I'm wiring. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I need to be careful not to break any of the smaller branches. This tree has a lot of branches. This is not an easy task. So I'm using an open coil to allow me to leave the wire for longer than 1 year.
And that's it for today. Please leave a comment and have a great week. Bye. Take care.